G'day folks, Adam from Ruslan Foundry here. Welcome back to the Emu Creek Tramway. Today we're having a bit of a running session. Loco for today is number 6 John, a Regner Challoner. And we're starting out with a rake of Penryn Quarry open coaches and our new estate guards van. Here we have a passenger's eye view from the rear open coach, which makes the lay of my track look terrible. I hope you enjoy this somewhat different point of view. Finish off the session, we've spun number 6 around to run bunker first, just because, and we've got the milk train, which is a single Linton and Barnstaple based van, one of our new kits, and the estate guards rattling along behind. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in any of the 3 kits shown, there are these and a number of others on our Facebook and Etsy pages. Links in the description. Catch you in the next one.